Sometimes if you are in Microsoft Excel page and if you want to take the page layout, you can using a keyboard shortcut method. The simple method is you go to the keyboard and there you can see this is the Alt key and this is the W key. So you must press these two keys. One of your fingers should be in this Alt key and another is in this W key. So if you click these two keys at the same time, an option like this in view section comes here, and from there if you want to choose the page layout, then you must simply go to the keyboard once again, and there you must search for the key with letter P. So you must click this P also, then you can see that the page layout preview comes here in Excel. So very simple. First you must press this Alt key and W key at the same time, and after that you must press this P key, and you can see this comes. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe.